What is up, guys? Lukewarm Mining here. Hope y'all are having a great day. Obviously, crypto is not having a great day right now. In the last 24 hours, a lot has transpired, especially when it comes to Bitcoin and altcoins. It's not just the crypto market. It is also the stock market. It is also the futures market. It is also the Forex market. A lot has gone on in the last 24 hours. I think a lot of people are holding their breath for the CPI report, and it looks like it's not good. Obviously, we've had a lot of mass firings when it comes to the federal government. Unemployment rates going up is not a good thing, and when there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, people tend to bail out and want to hold on to more physical assets like gold or cash and so on and so forth. So I think that this pullback is totally warranted. This is not something that was not out of nowhere or anything like that. Honestly, I think a lot of people that I've talked to kind of saw it coming, and we're already kind of pulling out funds for the last couple weeks here. I mean, if you look at Bitcoin or any of the charts like that, you could see that the volume was dipping. We're holding the price steady, but there was multiple times where it got to the point that it looked like it was going to break out, but then obviously people came back in. But like with any market, uncertainty is the thing that kills markets. Whenever there's consistent, rules, there's consistent flow, things are kind of normal. It's all, uh, like I said, it's all normal, then the market will tend to trend up. Whenever there's a lot of uncertainty, for example, lots of changes in the administration, changing how tariffs work, changing how importing is going to work for electronics and stuff, seizing, from what I've heard, electronics, like crypto miners and stuff, at the border due to quote unquote AI chips being in the control boards and stuff, then that brings a lot of uncertainty in the market. When there's uncertainty, people want to retract from the market. So I didn't see this coming. I felt like it's been a thing that we've been watching for the last couple of weeks and knew it was happening in slow motion. Obviously, it's in a lot faster motion now. So if you didn't already get from this video, this is going to be pretty much a talking head video. Just kind of getting my thoughts out there, what I think is going to happen really moving forward, what I'm going to be doing moving forward from this point. And then, just kind of asking you guys what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments, and then that's about it. So, do I think Bitcoin's going to recover? I think it's going to go back down again. I think it's definitely having a rally right now. We're up at 89,000. That's why I keep looking over. We're at 89,000 as of this recording. I think that it's going to retract again. I think this is just a dead cat bounce. It's going to come back down for a little bit. Then maybe we'll start easing in. I think I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 80,000. But that's all just random numbers on a crayon chart where, if you throw out the dice, maybe you get a yes or a no, go up or down. I don't know. Fucking kind of just talking in a circle right now. I'm a little tired. Anyways, so what am I going to be doing with this? Obviously, you can play the market both ways. I think a lot of people think about just buying the coin and hodling. Obviously, it's a little bit more degenerate, but you can get into futures trading and stuff like that. You don't have to use a huge amount of leverage or anything like that, but you can always trade up or down on things. So that's what I was doing when I saw that a lot of the long orders were getting liquidated, and the market was trending downwards. I went ahead and put out some sell orders and ended up capturing this big fall off from Bitcoin. I actually closed out a little too early on it, but that's like what I've been doing. Is just if there's a lot of volatility in the market. I like swing trading stuff, so that's fantastic for me. It helps for what makes me the most money when it comes to trading. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about what hardware side of things, what I'm thinking about doing. Obviously, I am still accumulating hardware. I don't have as much stuff as Red Panda Mining or any of these other guys have. I don't have a huge amount of ASICs. The only ASICs I really have right now are my small home miners and the Z15s that I run during testing and stuff when I'm working on them. I do want to kind of increase that a little bit. I do want to pick up either some home miners or maybe something bigger like an L9 at some point, because those are coming down in price, and that's something to consider. Is that when the market is bad, Bitmain and all those guys still gotta make their money, so they will cut their losses on the bigger machines like the L9s, the S21 XPs and stuff like that, and the prices of them will drop because the market is dropping. So now is a good time to start acquiring hardware. And I think this is kind of loops back to the whole GPU thing. Also on the cover is GPU mining is not doing great, hasn't done great. A lot of people are waiting for altcoin season, and it just simply isn't coming right now. I think a lot of it has to do with the ease of getting into crypto mining and into the crypto space right now. It happened in 2021. It's going to happen again now. Obviously, things were different in 2021. We are all in our houses. Though, of course, it looks like there's a new COVID variant coming out. So let's go. New COVID, guys, means GPU mining's coming back. Don't clip that, but also clip it, because if it happens, it'd be funny as hell. But a lot of people were at home. They had their computers, so this was just an easy thing to do. They already had their computers. They already had GPUs. It was nothing. Now things are different. There isn't stimulus checks. There isn't free money coming in, and people aren't at home. So what's easier to do than that? I don't know. Go on pump.fun on your phone, hook it up to your Coinbase wallet or whatever, buy whatever doggy poo-poo coin that you want, and it's all done on your phone. You can do it in an instant. It is easy. How hard or how easy is it to go set up a Quai wallet, make sure all your overclocks are correct on your rig? Oh shoot, it doesn't work properly. Oh no, I keep randomly crashing. Now I gotta go change my settings. Wait, hash rate.nno's numbers aren't right. What do you mean my GPU is not getting the maximum amount of stuff? It's a lot more work compared to press funny button, buy on a website literally called pump.fun, so for pumping coins, and go through it. So the ease of access is there. And if you don't think that's true, then I mean, like, go look at 2021 again. What else was the craze for people that were out and about and still doing things? Oh, I don't know. They were buying monkey memes and Bored Ape and whatever else was out in the freaking market for NFTs on Ethereum. And Ethereum was doing great because there was a bunch of BS out on it. So, I mean, that's really what it was. It was the ease of entry for the money that was out there. So that's why I think right now it's not even just that there's so many. A lot of people say, "Oh, there's so many coins," and so there's too many projects. And I think it's 100% true. There's too many projects. That's also, there's not enough money to go around, and that's the bigger thing. There's not enough money in the space to go around to make altcoins pump right now. So, in turn, the money that is in here is not going towards GPU mining and coins related to that and proof of work. It's going towards meme coins, so some other dude can go pocket it. And everyone's clearly on the rage on that one. So I think right now, if you are going to be acquiring hardware, especially with the market dipping like this pretty hard, I would say consider looking into ASICs, because that seems to be the only thing that's really keeping up proof of work right now. Maybe get some GPUs, but right now, because of the 50 series being so lackluster, a lot of people are sticking with the 40 and 30 series, and so prices are going up on them. And 50 series, like I said, are just so hard to find right now that their prices are so overinflated that people are buying 40 series for way more than they're worth. Same with 30 series. So maybe now, unfortunately, is not the time to buy GPUs. Maybe now is the time for people to look into cheaper ASICs or older ASICs and stuff like that, and purchase those. But I don't recommend doing that if you're not willing to risk it. So, and I think that's, again, what I touched on earlier. Not a lot of people want to risk a lot in the market, so we're not going to see a lot of people doing that. What am I going to be doing? I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be trying to fix up more of these ASICs and start buying older ASICs and get them kind of in my collection, send them off to go get hosted, so on and so forth, to kind of start building up my fleet, to start getting some more passive income in. The other thing that I'm going to be starting is I am going to be starting a second channel. So if you guys already know, I do a lot of repair stuff outside of crypto. Obviously, I've turned this channel more into dedicated about crypto. I named it Lukewarm Mining and Repair, and then, or it's Lukewarm Mining, then Lukewarm Mining Repair, then Lukewarm Mining again. And yeah, I know I'm a fickle person, and I couldn't decide, and I'm undecisive when it comes to that. Maybe fickle's not the right word. I don't know. That word just came out for some reason. As you can tell, I'm just rambling. But where was I going with it? But I think I want to make this more for you guys in the crypto space and keep it related to crypto. Obviously, getting hardware and stuff, trying it out, running it, seeing what I can get out of, get a 50 series and throw it on a bunch of older processors and newer processors and show like how that makes a huge difference on Warthog, or trying to undervote the living crap out of them, or maybe water cooling them and putting them in a rig, or doing like a mini ITX mining machine or something like that, and just continuing the mining stuff, talking about crypto in general. But I do want to start a second channel. I think I'm just going to call it Lukewarm Tech and Repair, and that one's going to be dedicated to just tech news, doing going over tech, building computers, doing repairs, doesn't matter what kind of repairs, and doing a lot of that over there, while continuing to keep a lot of the crypto repair stuff and probably GPU repair content also getting posted over here. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'm still thinking about it. I haven't done anything for it yet. I haven't even made a logo yet for it, or even an account yet for it. It's just something that I've been contemplating doing, because that's really what I'm into, is just tech in general. Not like the crypto, I'm in it for the tech, or anything like that, like bullshit. You're into it for the revenue and the tech, or maybe just the revenue. But I'm in it for the computer tech because I think it's interesting. So anyways, a little bit of a rant. Bitcoin right now is at 88,989 as of right now. So hopefully we make a recovery back up to 90,000. Anyways, guys, should be streaming probably tonight or sometime this week. We'll see. All right, take care.